Okay, student, today we shall study about the condition of two-port symmetry of biparameter. Okay. Previously, we understood the concept of two-port symmetry. What was it? It was V1 by Vs by I1 and keeping I2 equal to 0 and this equal to Vs by I2 keeping I1 equal to 0. This was the condition for symmetry, okay, of two-port network. Okay, this was the condition for symmetry of two-port network. Okay, and what are these? I am just giving you brief idea of this. Suppose we take two port networks, same two-port networks. Actually, the same two-port network is shown here in two figures. Network is same and voltage source applied here is same. Okay. Then here in figure 1, this is the figure 1, this is port 1, this is port 2, this is port 1, port 1, port 1, port 2, port 1, port 2, this one, and here the this response, or it means current entering port 1 is I1, and here we have connected port 1 with a voltage source Vs. Okay, and here in second figure we have connected this voltage, same voltage source. Network is same, two-port network is same, figure in 1 and figure in 2, and here in figure 1, it means in this two-port network we have connected this port 1 with a voltage source, and this same voltage source is connected here at port 2. Okay, this is the same voltage source Vs. Okay, and here the current is I2, I1, V1. This here is V, here is the V2. Okay, and this current is I2. Okay, then here this condition of this value is the value of ratio of what? This excitation and this response. Okay, what is this? This is the ratio of excitation and response. When the other port, this is the voltage source and this is the excitation in port 1, this is the response in port 1, and that other port 2 is open circuited. Here we have taken Vs by I1 keeping I2 equal to 0, and in this figure here we have taken at V2 there is Vs and current is I2 when we have open circuited the port 1. Okay, this is the condition for these same two-port networks with same voltage source, and this is the condition. Okay, that if we are interested in finding out the condition of symmetry for biparameter, then we will just find out the value of this, and we'll make this equal for bipart port network, biparameter port. Okay, then let us take the standard equations for biparameter was what? This was I1 equal to y1 into v1 plus y12 into v2, and